وعلى آله وأصحابه أجمعين. Dear listeners, Allah gave His beloved Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam a very high honor. No other prophet was given this rank among all the miracles of the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam. The greatest one is the event of Miraj. It refreshes faith and softens hearts. Miraj is a very special and blessed night. Even today, the universe is proud of this night. On this night, Allah took His beloved Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam on a journey through the heavens up to Sidratul Muntaha. The heavens witnessed this journey. Angels stood in respect. Then came a moment when the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam reached a place where no prophet and no angel had ever reached before. This shows that the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam is the leader of all world, not only of the earth. The Quran clearly mentioned this event. Glory be to Him who took His bondsmen by the night from Masjid al-Haram to Masjid al-Aqsa, around which we have placed blessings. When the earth was quiet and the heavens were waiting, this blessed night came. This journey was not a dream, it was not imagination, it was a real miracle by the power of Allah. The Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam was taken with both body and soul. He travelled from Makkah to Jerusalem and then through the heavens. He reached a closeness to Allah that is beyond words. Miraj was a test for people with weak faith, but it made true believers stronger. It helped even today. This story fills believers' hearts with light. It brings tears to their eyes and reminds them to go before Allah. Miraj teaches us that if our heart has love for the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam, then nothing is impossible for Allah. For this journey, the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam rode Buraq, a very fast heavenly creature. Wherever it looked, it reached there instantly. It took the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam to Masjid al-Aqsa. There, Allah gathered all the Prophets alayhi salam. Everyone waited to see who would lead the prayer. Then Hazrat Jibreel alayhi salam brought the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam forward. He led all the Prophets and angels in prayer. This showed that the leadership of all people belonged to Muhammad Mustafa sallallahu alaihi wasallam. When the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam returned from Miraj, only a very short time had passed. His bed was still warm and the door latch was still moving. This shows that Allah made a very long journey happens in a very short time. During Miraj, the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam received a special gift from Allah. The journey ended, but his message is still alive today. It called us to think, to believe and to act. The poet beautifully said, Tabarakallah shan teri, तुझी को ज़ेबा है बेनियाजी, कहीं तो वो जो शलन तरानी, कहीं तकाज़े विसाल के थे, वमा अलैया इल्लल बलागुल मुबीन।